Good morning from Fort Worth. Today is the first day of the Carbon Black World Conference, and I will be moderating the first session and presenting at 4 o'clock. See you later.
I think we all know that we don't necessarily move fast, but when we move well. So sustainability will certainly be the next differentiator. It's going to be driven by innovation, and that innovation will be the material science fix. Carbon from sugars rather than petroleum, I think, is a concept that will grow. The challenge is within the science. It's in achieving availability in the marketplace at a scale that is relevant to us. People in this room, this industry certainly is an innovator. There's a fuel here, there's a passion, there's an energy, and I think we'll see that happening.
The market fundamentals in this region support slow and safe growth. No matter what you hear from the news, all the turmoil that's going on, this is the stable market that is growing. Yet, the tariffs, the trade wars, and economic uncertainty are creating a little bit of a network challenge.
I hope you know about Notch. I published the Carbon Black Working Data book. I have a book of prospects for recovered carbon black with my good friend and colleague Martin Wolfersdorff. I also cover Silica, antioxidants, and accelerators. This is Connecticut about 5 days ago, so we're just starting the day into spring, which is really nice. So over the last month, everyone I talked to, I asked them the same question. What's the greatest challenge facing the carbon black industry? And the answers I got boiled down to one word: uncertainty.
Good morning, all the experts, ladies and gentlemen. I've done a design engineer from Doright. Today, is our work to introduce our cutting-edge solution in carbon black body theory.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Natarajan. My friend colleague that both of you. I'm going to talk about I'm retired from carbon black heat recovery systems, so I can think about things other than whatever is present. So I don't have the constrictions of working to what we was wanted to do.
There are all 2 years in carbon black that we've spoken about in the past from Marc previous presentations. We talk about we'll have a carbon black, and we'll focus on that going forward.
There are basically 3 areas I focus on. One is the shift away from fossil fuels and towards sustainable feedstocks. The second one is how Industry 4.0 and artificial intelligence is really revolutionizing our industry of how we operate our plants. And then lastly, how do we the different adaptations of a supply chain.
And so just a quick reminder for those that are new to the industry who may not be aware of who the ICBA is. So the ICBA is a scientific non-profit corporation founded in 1977. And the purpose is really to sponsor, conduct research associated with safety, health, environmental aspects that are impacting carbon black production or use.
So I represent Tokai Carbon, which is part of Tokai Carbon Group, which is parent company in Japan. So as a global company, Tokai Carbon Group in essence prides itself on contributing to a better society. That is following a basic philosophy of ties reliability. That's in us producing carbon black products or products in general that are indispensable to various industries, as well as continuously developing carbon black products that meet future demands.
After the introduction of the silica, people have tried to completely substitute carbon black with silica in natural rubber, or use a mixture of them, or any other efforts has been done. But the problem is the result is not promising as we like to.
What is carbon black? elemental carbon, of course, aggregates of aciniform, grape-like morphology or structure, uniform primary particle sizes, uniform aggregate sizes are all important. For me, as a consultant and market scout, the most important is it's an engineered material. It is purpose engineered for its application.
Why is RCB world 4 times this size carbon black over there? Like, why is that out? It just is so simple. Oh, maybe you don't business about what we did. I worked oil and gas industry, so we're in this straight. So not competing with oil and gas. Right there with them. Carbon black manufacturers are some of my best customers and friends. We work right there with them every single day.
Shine, look, earlier it was called as Ransom Carbon Black. So our topic is, it is an ASCF furnace black nickel, and it is shifting its gear from ASCF manufacturing to sustainable black, high specialty black.
So we talk about building 30 plants. And after that 30, what's the next plant that going to be built? 5 will be built in natures. Produce schedule 5 additional this year, plus 4 billion.
It's my great honor to stand here to invite you all to join the networking reception tonight.